Hello, welcome to Andy on Call. We've been providing handyman and construction services for over 25 years, so we have the experience that you need. And we have credibility, not just a pickup bed filled with discarded beer cans. We have physical offices and a full-time staff to serve you. We're not the fly-by-night folks whose office is the front cab of their pickup truck. That means that if you need us in the future or you have follow-up questions, you won't have any difficulty getting hold of us. You won't need to track us down like so many others that are out there. We have a full staff of skilled craftsmen who do residential and commercial projects, whether those are small projects or large projects. We can help you with honeydews, repairs, makeovers, remodels, or even full additions. Whether it's carpentry, flooring, decks, gazebos like this beautiful gazebo that we're in right now, or masonry, concrete, kitchen and baths, drywall, repairs, maintenance, remodels, whatever it is that you need, Andy on Call can do it. You know what else? Andy on Call is fully insured and we provide a limited 1-year warranty. You know what else we provide? Oftentimes we have coupon specials or discounts with a limited time offer, so you can take advantage of that. We've been doing repairs and upgrades and remodeling construction for all of Tulsa Green Country, all of Muskogee, Tahlequah, and Bartlesville, and all places in between. Do you have a small project need? Hang a ceiling fan, fix a door, or maybe just a toilet is stopped up. Andy on Call will come out for projects like that when so many others won't even take your call for something that small. But we will, because we care about our customers. We have over 6,000 homeowners that have used us over these years. Do you have a project need? Are you curious about the current discount? Call us today about our discounts and to schedule a free quote. We'll try to get back with you the same day and possibly even have your quote scheduled for you within 48 hours. Call us today at 918-307-2639, and until we hear from you, you have a wonderful day.